Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to get free lives on Gardenscapes. To get free lives in Gardenscapes, first of all, open up the Gardenscapes application on your device. And right after you open it up, you can claim daily rewards by collecting login bonuses. Sometimes it also includes free lives or unlimited lives for 30 minutes to 2 hours. The next thing you can do is to join or create a team in the game. Once you have a team, open out the team menu and then you can go ahead and request or ask for live. Tap the request button and your teammates can send you hearts, and that way you can easily receive free lives in Gardenscapes. Keep completing the levels, and this may also help you earn free lives. Another way to get free lives is that simply wait it out. 1 life refills every 30 minutes, up to 5 total, and you can come back later and continue playing even if you are short on life for now. Sometimes connecting with Facebook or Google will get you bonus lives and also lets you receive live from friends. Those were some of the ways you can earn free lives in Gardenscapes. Occasionally, you may also see an option to watch a short ad for a free life or booster. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.